Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Appify. So today in this video I'll show you how to download or install LinkedIn on your device. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. As I'm using iPhone, you need to go to App Store. If you're Android user, you must go to Play Store. Here in search bar, search for LinkedIn and now click on search button on your keyboard. Now click on download icon that is located on top right corner. Click on it. Once you click on it, it starts downloading. Now you can see that you have successfully downloaded LinkedIn app on your device. Once you tap on open, it will open your LinkedIn. So in this way you can download LinkedIn app on your device. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.